Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very exciting and this is something also very new for me. I am finally going to get my first ever Hydrafacial done. So it's been long overdue. I've always been wanting to get my sessions started ever since I saw my mom getting her Hydrafacials done and I visibly saw the results. I was like, I also want to get started with my sessions, but मुझे कभी time ही नहीं मिल रहा होता है. But finally, I have decided to be consistent with it. The thing with Hydra facials is that you have to be available at the clinic in every 15 days. And I cannot be that consistent with one location. I am not in one location every 15 days. Sometimes I'm in Gurgaon, sometimes I'm in Karnal. So which derma I should consult, if I should consult in Gurgaon or if I consult a derma in Karnal. But finally, because my mom goes to this dermatologist in Karnal, I decided to give her a shot because I've seen the results very visible on my mom and I never want to take chance with my skin. So I decided to go with this. So as I'm speaking to you, I'm also very nervous because tomorrow I'm going to be getting my first ever session. It's not invasive, but I've never let anyone touch my skin. For those of you who know me knows that I'm too sensitive about my skin. No, like, not the skin is not sensitive. I mean, it is sensitive, but I'm more sensitive about someone touching my skin. It's like if someone also used to like do this or something like that, I was like, please don't touch my face. I am very concerned about my skincare and my hair care, but more about my skincare. But let's go. So now you're going to see the first session. This I am going to be showing you in very detail, and I'm going to be, I think, taking you for 3 sessions in this video, and after that I'll be showing you more in my next video. So please stay tuned, watch till the end, and you can decide for yourself if you also want to get it done or maybe not. Here's how my skin looks in normal light. The rosacea on my cheeks, some acne marks, and the pigmentation around my mouth are the areas we will be working on. Reason बोलते हैं इसको. तो सारा प्रोडक्ट इससे हट जाता है. ये छोटे वाले
वो अंदर है. हाँ, हीट की वजह से है वो सारे.
उसकी पिगमेंटेशन के लिए भी कुछ होता है.
पील्स होती है.
इफेक्टिव होती है?
3-4 सेकंड लेनी पड़ती है, तब जाके जाती है। ये क्रीम मसाज करूँगी।
तो मुझे भी ज़्यादा अपने फेस पे हैंड नहीं यूज़ करनी चाहिए,
क्योंकि बॉडी में ऑलरेडी हीट है और आपके हाथों में भी हीट है। वो अंदर से हीट करके आपको एक्ने ला देता है।
तो इसमें कुछ रेडिएशंस होती हैं?
हाँ जी, हीट आती है।
हीट तो हमें चाहिए ही नहीं।
नहीं, ये सिर्फ नेक के लिए करूँगी कि इससे मेल्ट होती है अंदर।
अच्छा,
स्किन में से पोर्स ओपन है, पैक से पहले होता है ये।
अच्छा, इसके बाद पैक लगेगा?
उसके बाद पैक।
This is not sponsored. I'm shelling a bomb on this treatment, but let me tell you, I got to know so much about my skin that I never knew existed, and the glow, of course, you can tell. During my second session, I couldn't record much. I was having bad cramps and it was too difficult for me to even hold the phone. But here are a few pictures that I took after the session, so you can decide it for yourself if you see the difference from before the first session to after the second session. This Kansa roller is honestly the second best thing, first one still being the back massage. This whole process takes about 2 hours, and that is honestly going to be the best 2 hours of your entire day.
सीरम लगा रही हूँ 5:15, वो पील भी करनी है, लिप पील।
So yes, I got my lip peeling done, but the whole application was too fast, I couldn't record it. If you have questions about the pricing or other details, please let me know in the comments and I'll make another video for that.
3, 2, 1.
It's not only about the facial, you have to really take care of your skin after that as well. I honestly can tell the difference. So that's it for this video. Rest of the sessions I'm going to be showing you in my next video. If you have reached this far, you now know if you have seen the difference or not, and you can decide it for yourself now. So that's it. I'll see you in my next video. ऑल्सो ये मत बोलना कि कपड़े तो वही है, झूठ बोल रही है, झूठ नहीं बोल रही है, सेम डे पे शूट कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज फिर मैं भूल जाऊंगी, फिर तुम कहोगे आउटरो तो नहीं लिया। Sarak, whatever.